Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Today I will continue with my third game football, and we have a fundamental skill. Kicking, it is the most common skill used to hit the ball with power. Dribbling, it is faking to the opponent in such a way that control of the ball is kept. Heading, usually an attacker head the ball to redirect it towards the net. Then passing, in this the ball passed to own teammates who is very close. Next we have a throw in, tackling, trapping and corner kick. About throw in, this skill is used to throw the ball back for play from the side or touch line. Tackling, it is taking the ball possession from the opponent with sliding. Trapping, it is controlling the lifted ball before it could bounce or control the ball in air. Corner kick, this skill is used to kick the ball from the corner. Next we have important personalities, tournaments and venues. About important personalities, Arjun Award winner. Here you can learn any 5 of them. Dronacharya Award winner. This award is given to the coach and Sayyid Niamuddin. You can write the answer. Dhyan Chand Award winner Shabir Ali. International personalities, important tournaments and important venues. You can learn any 5 of them. Then we have a short answer type question. Question number 1. Explain the following. Here all kicking, heading, throwing, all the terminologies. You may get the answer from the book. Question number 2. What are the dimensions of football playing field? Mention the formation of player position. Page number 108. You may get the answer. What are the details of goal post and goal area? About goal post, you can learn from tips to remember, and about goal area, near the penalty area where 6-yard area is there, that area is called goal area. How is throw in taken? Explain. Page number 109. What are the limits of time extension during tie? Page number 107. What are the types of kick? Explain. 112. You may get the answer. What is the history of football? Page number 106. Which is the controlling body at international level? That is FIFA. Discuss the popularity of soccer in Europe. This answer you may get from the net. What are the details of basic compulsory equipment used by a player? Mention specification of the football. Here you can learn tips to remember. About compulsory equipment, the football player must wear stud, stocking, shorts, jersey, headgear. All these equipments football player wear. When is offside considered? Under what circumstance offside is given and how? Page number 109. You may get the answer. What are the fouls and how they are regulated? Explain. About this answer, you may see the page number 114. Official signals are there. Under official signal, the fouls also written. You can go through it. How is goal score in soccer? Page number 113. Give a list of international sports personality of soccer. Page number 116. What are the details of ball used in football? That tips to remember. You can get the answer. How many substitutions are permitted during game? Explain the procedure of substitutions during a match. Page number 114. you may get the answer. And explain the procedure of substitutions. In this case, what happen when the ball become dead, maybe ball go out of the side area, maybe the end area, that time player can change with the permission of the referee. Who regulates the time record of game? Explain injury time in the game. Page number 114 and 113, you may get the answer. Name 5 Arjun Award winner. Page number 116. Then we have a question number 18. Who is the recipient of Dronacharya Award winner? Then this Dronacharya Award is always given to the coach. And 116, you may get the answer. Explain the procedure to be followed by referee to decide winner if the match ends in a draw in regular time. Page number 107, you may get the answer. How many types of warning card are used by referee? What does each card indicate? 113. List any 6 cautionary offense that can be committed by a player in football. That about cautionary offense, you can see when the yellow card is given, red card is given, page number 130, that also offense, you can write accordingly. What decision will be given by the referee if a player receive a second caution in the same match? Means red card will be shown to the player. If a player delay the restart of the play, then what will be referee decision? Obviously warning card is given, that yellow card given to the player. Mention any 3 fouls and any 3 offense in the game of football. About foul, when the hand touch with the ball while substitutions without taking permission from the referee, that also foul. And when the ball goes outside by the end lines, the sidelines, that time also foul. About offense, means deliberately hitting to the player, deliberately splitting over the defender or maybe attacker, deliberately pushing, these all are offense in the game of football. State 3 ways of trapping the ball, means the player can trap the ball by head, by chest and by thigh. What is meant by drop ball, and how is skill of heading the ball performed? Page number 111 and 115, you may get the answer. What is the kickoff when it is conducted? Page number 113. Explain any 6 offense committed by the player for which yellow card is shown. Page number 113, you read and you may get the answer. What is drop ball when it is conducted? Page number 111, you may get the answer. State the position of falling during the execution of a penalty kick in a game of football. The ball, the defending goalkeeper, the player. The first of all, ball is kept on penalty spot. The defending goalkeeper, it is inside the goal post. Then player, all the player, defending player are behind the penalty area. What is the procedure of resuming the game from penalty kick, goal kick and indirect free kick? About penalty kick 110, you can get the answer. About goal kick 113, and about an indirect free kick, page number 110, you may get all the 3 answer. Write the following: length and width of the field, duration of match and duration of extra time, breadth and the height of the goal post, radius of center circle and corner arc. All these answers you may get from tips to remember. Here children, we covered our football also, and in my next video we will see the next syllabus. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.